Are you actually living your life for you? Or are you living it for validation from someone you loved, someone you love, or someone you're in family court against? Because here's the reality most people won't admit. The people judging your mistakes are almost never living the life you want. They're not in your shoes. They're not carrying your stress. They're not dealing with the fallout. They're just watching and commenting. And let's be clear, you weren't born for a very long time. And when you die, it's over. No retrial, no appeal, no second chance, no second go, done. Once you genuinely understand that, a lot of fear evaporates. You stop obsessing over what family court thinks of you. You stop letting Kafka's opinions dictate your sense of worth. You stop spiraling every time an allegation is made, a report lands, or your ex reframes the reality. Family court delays your case. So what? Time your kid, time you can't get back. A judge misunderstands you. Your ex files something exaggerated, hostile, or outright false. So what? So what? Those things only consume you when family court becomes your identity instead of a process you're passing through. Perspective dismantles that grip. Most people aren't broken. They're captive. Captive to outcomes, captive to approval, captive to the hope that this time the system will finally see them clearly. This is your bat, not I'll live once the case finishes, not I'll breathe again once after the final hearing, or not I'll be myself again once all this is over. That never happens. This one. So don't waste it trying to prove your goodness to a system that isn't built for validation. Don't shrink yourself to look compliant. Don't confuse silence with strength or submission with progress. Family court is a chapter, not the book, not your character, not your worth. Live deliberately, choose consciously, and act like someone who understands that time is infinite, because it is. The real question isn't whether you can live your life for you. It's this: why are you letting family court decide how much of your life you're allowed to live?